are instructions on how to clean the brew group on the Aulika Evo top. We go to the menu, and we want the user menu, so we press OK. We want the brew group clean, so we press OK. We want to perform the brew group cleaning, so we say OK. And now we go over and extract the brew group from the side panel. Right here on top of the brew group is a handle that says press. You're going to press that, grab the handle, and remove. It's very simple to remove. You see that press button right there? And we drop our tablet, our Cafiza cleaning tablet, into the brew group. We reinsert the brew group. Close the door. Continue to follow the prompts. Say OK. Insert group cleaning tab, which we've already done. So press OK. Put back the group, which we've done. Press OK. Brew group clean. Place a container under the dispensing spout and press OK. And then just continue to follow the prompts.